In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control autoplay settings in the Brave browser. If videos or audio start playing the moment you open a page, it can be distracting, use up data, and make browsing less peaceful. Thankfully, Brave gives you clear controls to decide what should and shouldn't play automatically. Start by opening Brave and heading into Settings. Look to the top right corner of the browser window for the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Click that, then choose Settings from the menu. This opens the main control center for your browser. Next, we'll navigate to the exact place where autoplay controls live. In the left sidebar, go to Privacy and Security, then select Site and Shield Settings. From there, open Content. This is where Brave groups permissions that affect how websites behave. If you prefer a faster route, you can also type Brave/settings content autoplay directly into the address bar and press Enter. That link jumps you straight to the autoplay section without digging through menus. Once you're on the autoplay page, you'll see options to set your default behavior. If you choose Allow Sites to Autoplay Media, most videos and audio will begin playing on their own, which can be convenient on streaming and news sites that expect immediate playback. If you switch to block sites from autoplaying media, Brave will stop most autoplay, helping keep pages quiet and saving bandwidth. It's a solid choice if you prefer to press play yourself. You may also see an option like Allow Audio and Video, which focuses on controlling sound so that even if something loads, you're less likely to get unexpected audio. Think of it as a practical middle ground when you want visual content to load, but not blast audio without your say-so. A quick tip as you choose. Consider how you use the web. If you often visit sites where content is meant to start right away, allowing autoplay might feel smoother. If you multitask with many tabs open or often work in quiet environments, blocking autoplay can keep things calm and predictable. Once you've selected the setting that fits your style, you're done. These choices apply across sites, and you can always return here to adjust them later if your needs change. That's all it takes to take control of autoplay in Brave. Simple, quick, and tailored to your browsing preferences.